mobile marketing technology. Is your business ready? Making the move to mobile. With the advent of new technologies, we always take our ability to communicate with us. Smartphones and tablet PCs put the World Wide Web at our fingertips no matter where we happen to be. The challenge facing marketers is that mobile marketing and advertising is one with blurred boundaries and undefined borders. Many enterprises view mobile marketing as merely an extension of internet marketing instead of its own new universe. What is mobile marketing? Mobile marketing isn't exactly a new thing, but it does happen to be the thing. Social media has also gone mobile. It takes on a number of different forms, ranging from the simple SMS text message all the way to full-fledged mobile apps and mobile-ready videos and commercials. Mobile marketing is taking your message to today's cell phones, smartphones, tablet PCs, and other mobile devices that are tucked into purses, pockets, and other easy-to-reach locations across the entire globe. Today's mobile marketing trends. Smartphones are expected to overtake other mobile options this coming year. While text will still be a popular, profitable medium, apps will grow in profit potential and demand. Social networking will continue to be one of the demands that mobile consumers are seeking to accommodate their addiction to status updates and tweets. Location-based targeted marketing campaigns will be easier to envision and implement, translating into more foot traffic for brick and mortar establishments who may have previously been hesitant to dip their toes into the world of mobile marketing. Let's put it into perspective. What is the number one reason for wanting to do mobile marketing? What has kept you from making this move before? What is your biggest mobile priority? What moves, if any, have your competitors made? Do you receive mobile marketing messages and advertisements? Which ones are most and least effective? What are your greatest expectations and what are your biggest fears? In Chapter 1, we will start out by looking at today's mobile technology. See you in the next video. Okay, let's now do a wrap-up. After all the progress we've made and the information we've uncovered, I'll clue you in to a little secret about mobile marketing. It's simple, but it really isn't easy to put together. Taking the time, investing the effort, and doing what will seem most of the time like a whole lot of work is the hard part. Behind every effort you make, every connection you make, there needs to be a smooth current of discipline that will guide you through it. Now that you know what your priorities are, it's time to start putting your plan into action. Formulate your elevator speech. Although the elevator speech is most typically a tool for salesmen or traditional professionals, there is something incredibly empowering about being able to powerfully and concisely describe what you're doing and what makes you significant in a sentence or two. Come up with a simple sentence or two that clearly states what your business is, who it's reaching, and the strategies used to implement your mobile marketing initiatives. The mobile marketing mission statement. After you have drafted your elevator speech, your next move is to specifically spell out your mobile marketing mission statement. Include all of the elements of your mission, what you will measure, deadlines, accountability, and other components that serve to make your efforts that much more real to you and easier to explain to others. Develop a marketing plan. If you want to take yourself seriously, it doesn't hurt to have a marketing plan in place.
While this is not a simple task by any means, it can create the framework and foundation for a wildly successful business initiative. Thank you, and we hope this will be able to help you to get your own mobile marketing campaign up and running successfully.
Today's mobile technology. While mobile devices are widespread, it's important to understand that all mobile devices are not created equally. Different types of devices will require different coding and different apps with different campaign results and execution. Mobile technology devices. Let's look at some of the most popular and prevalent mobile devices currently on the market. The standard cell phone, smartphone, tablet PCs. Standard cell phones. These phones are the basic economy model device of choice. Their sheer affordability makes them a popular option. While these phones are generally limited to talk and text plans, some of the no-contract prepaid phone plans out there also include limited web access, generally only enough to handle email or instant messaging. The smartphone. Most cell phone plans offer options and encourage upgrades to smartphone technology and increasingly digital and web-based mobile device. Smartphones like the iPad and the professional office's Blackberries offer a number of potential perks that mean that organizations and causes have increasingly more and more interactive ways to draw in new customers with highly targeted and specialized campaigns that can really boost your bottom line. Tablet PCs. Tablet PCs offer most of the benefits of a laptop computer. They browse the internet, create documents, take pictures, send information and data via email, put on presentations, and much, much more. The more you can make the meld between your software package, training manual, book membership site, retail sites, etc., the greater the probability that a query will eventually translate into a sale. In Chapter 2, we will look at fine-tuning the mobile marketing website. Fine-tuning the mobile marketing website. Potential website traffic who want to experience your site on their mobile devices have remarkably different wants and needs when it comes to the browsing experience. Most mobile devices have a smaller screen resolution than a desktop or laptop. The various different operating systems are also a factor. With all the factors to consider, you will need to know how to manipulate your traffic's experience based on the mobile devices you know they are using. The Mobile Marketing Preliminary Research Campaign. One of the fastest and most affordable way of doing this is to conduct a simple survey. Create a simple survey, preferably with no more than 5 to 10 options for your subscribers to choose from, to indicate which mobile devices they regularly use. Put a solid deadline on your survey incentive so that you can quickly and easily tabulate the answers for an overall understanding of which mobile devices will offer you the greatest financial rewards. Once the deadline has passed, it's time to tally up the information. Join me in Chapter 3 as we look at mobile search engine optimization. Mobile search engine optimization. The bare essentials. There are only 3 steps involved in the process. 1. Developing specialized style sheets. 2. Creating separate sites specifically built and customized
for mobile users, and 3. Local directory submission, example, Google Local. Other ways to give your mobile website an edge. Follow the basic rules of traditional SEO. Use XHTML coding. Employ external style sheets and JavaScript. Shy away from Flash and other custom apps. Optimize audio and video that you offer on site. Learn how to use jump links. Use percentages to specify graphics size rather than pixels. Don't forget simple coding changes. Submit your mobile sites to mobile search engines. And take the time to create a simple mobile sitemap. Do your research. As a part of your research, use your own mobile device and note the following. What frustrates you the most about the mobile web experience? Which websites are a major turnoff and why? Which websites do you consider to be a success and why? What features of your product or services are very relevant to the mobile experience? What information should be included to ensure that a mobile user can access the information they need to complete the sale? Pay attention to your answers and use this feedback as you begin building your own mobile website. In Chapter 4, we will look at socially mobile media. See you there.